Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make sea moss gel, Trinidad style. First, take about 1 cup of raw sea moss and clean it very well under running water to remove any sand or impurities. After cleaning, place the sea moss in a bowl and cover it completely with fresh water. Let it soak for 6 to 12 hours, allowing it to rehydrate and expand significantly. This initial step is crucial for a smooth gel. Once your sea moss is fully rehydrated, drain off the soaking water. You won't need it anymore. Transfer the plump sea moss into a high-speed blender. Now, add about 2 cups of fresh, filtered water to the blender with the sea moss. Blend on high until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy, with no visible chunks. This might take a few minutes, so be patient for the best texture. Now for the Trinidadian touch. You can add a pinch of ground cinnamon and a dash of freshly grated nutmeg to the blend for that authentic flavor. If you prefer a sweeter gel, a tablespoon or 2 of agave or maple syrup works wonderfully. Blend again briefly to incorporate. Finally, pour the mixture through a fine mesh sieve or nut milk bag to ensure your gel is perfectly smooth and free of any remaining fibers. Once strained, your beautiful sea moss gel is ready. Carefully pour it into a clean, airtight glass jar. Place the jar in the refrigerator, and you'll notice it will continue to thicken as it chills, reaching that perfect gel consistency. This homemade sea moss gel can be stored in the fridge for up to 2 to 3 weeks. Enjoy 1 to 2 tablespoons daily in your favorite smoothies, teas, or even just water.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.